Let me try again. Alright, so, um, so, yeah, so, this, oh my gosh, I should have wrote something before doing this. Okay, so for today, I'm just gonna say, so for today, I'm gonna be doing more, I'm gonna be doing more Pokemon, imitate, I'm gonna do, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be imitating more Pokemon cries, is what I was trying to say. Well, before I do that, I wanna do, I wanna do a request someone special told me to do, so, yeah. If you're watching this, then I love you. Anyways, alright, so he wanted me to do Riolu, so I don't know. I know what Lucario sounds like, cause so isn't Riolu, am I saying that right? I think I'm saying his name, I'm saying his name wrong, or, yeah, I think I'm saying the name wrong. Riolu. I'm just gonna say Riolu. So, Riolu's cry, I'm pretty sure, I don't know, I actually kind of forgot he existed. Well, not really, I don't really, yeah, okay. So, Riolu. So, his cry is like, if I remember correctly, it's like a cute, it's like it's a baby Pokemon, so of course, so of course it's cute, so, okay, so, oh gosh, my voice is gonna be hurting after I do this. Like, okay, hold on. Like that, like, I don't know. Like, something like that, so yeah. And then Lucario, I already know how Lucario sounds like, I see him everywhere. So, Lucario, no. Not that. No. I tried my best. I'm trying my best, okay? Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Why did I say it 2 times? Okay. Like that, I don't know. Well, Lucario can't eat chocolate, so if he does eat chocolate, he's a dead man, so, yeah. Don't feed Lucario chocolate, because you know what's gonna happen. I'm not gonna say it, but you know what's gonna happen, so, yeah. Alright, well, I don't want this video to be too long, so, what other Pokemon cry should I try? I want to think of one that I haven't done yet, and which is my favorite. Have I done Altaria? Last video, I think I did do Altaria. Did I do Altaria? No. Oh, I don't know. Hold on. Just trying to think of my favorite Pokemon. Like, for me, I like the underrated ones. I don't know if Blissey's underrated, but I know Wigglytuff's underrated. Wait, did I say overrated? No, I know Wigglytuff is underrated. Jigglypuff is more, like, recognizable, but Wigglytuff is just forgettable. But yeah, I'm not saying I like Wiggly. I mean, yeah, she has a pretty good move pool and attack stat. Her special attack is pretty high too, but her defense stats, bleh, horrible. So, I mean, Ponyta, I like Ponyta was a fire type I like, cause I used to think Ponyta was from My Little Pony. Don't judge me. That was really a long time ago. Yeah, I used to think Ponyta and Rapidash were from Friendship's Magic, but like, oh my gosh. Ow. Well, Ponyta, I don't even know what she sounds like. They sound like. But I know Rapidash is like that. What's another Pokemon I like? Pachirisu, of course. Who doesn't love Pachirisu? Pachirisu won, if I remember correctly, Pachirisu, well, I'm pretty sure that's only why people only know Pachirisu, because she won a VGC tournament, and, yeah. I mean, I like Patrice, but I feel like people only know her because she won a VGC tournament. It's kind of sad. Like, it's kind of, like, it's sad because people only remember Quillfish because people compare, oh my gosh, because people compared it to that Pokemon meme, and then you just forgot about him. But then Bidoof, I don't really like Bidoof. I mean, I used to like him, but I just find him sort of overrated now. Bidoof and B-Barrel, yeah. Alright, Patricio. I don't know. Yeah, something like that. Alright, I'm gonna end the video now. It's 6 minutes long, so yeah. Alright, I hope you guys have a good day, and yeah. Bye.